Did you know, according to the market research published by Statista in the year 2018, 2 in 5 Americans have said that they regularly consume protein drinks and shakes. Hearing this, it is hard to imagine कि कितने percentage of लोग protein supplements consume करते होंगे worldwide. Protein supplements or protein powders are a gym bag essential for millions of people nowadays. Gym, sports, performance, इन सब का नाम आया नहीं and the next thing you hear is protein powder. बट एक बहुत जेन्युइन एंड वैलिड क्वेश्चन जो हम अक्सर एड्रेस करना भूल जाते हैं इज कि डू आई रियली नीड प्रोटीन टू बिल्ड माई मसल या मैं सिर्फ इसलिए कंज्यूम कर रही हूँ बिकॉज सब कर रहे हैं. So hey guys, this is Nitika here, your nutrition expert from UV Fit, and today I'll be addressing a very basic and important topic. Do I really need protein powder to build my muscle? First and foremost, what is the idea behind including a protein supplement in your diet? You would say it would differ depending upon कि किसकी क्या ज़रूरत है. For example, if a protein powder is given to a child, then वो उसकी growth and development के लिए होगा या rare cases में PEM को treat करने के लिए. On the other hand, if the protein powder is given to an athlete, then the aim is कि उसकी muscle protein synthesis better हो, recovery fast हो and muscle mass deplete ना हो. All this will only happen when you choose a protein powder जिसकी bioavailability high हो, high absorption rates हो with complete amino acid profile and आपको कोई digestive issue भी ना हो. Now to answer this, do you really need protein powder to achieve this? The simple answer is protein powder is not a must have. इसका मतलब ये है कि there is no compulsion कि आपको protein powder लेने की ज़रूरत है to gain muscle. However, it is a very important and viable macronutrient for all athletes and sports person. I'll be very honest. Being a nutrition coach, I would suggest all the athletes to consume protein to reach their full potential. Plus, it is convenient and accessible. The most common mistake or misconception that people carry is that कि प्रोटीन एक मैजिक इंग्रेडिएंट है जो आपकी मसल ग्रोथ को 4x या 5x कर देगा. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है. प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंटेशन आपकी मसल ग्रोथ में हेल्प करेगी व्हेन यू सप्लीमेंट इट रेगुलरली. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक कि आप अपनी मसल को बिल्कुल भी ट्रेन नहीं कर रहे हो एंड पूरा दिन सिर्फ अनहेल्दी नो प्रोटीन डाइट फॉलो कर रहे हो एंड सिर्फ सप्लीमेंटेशन पे डिपेंडेंट हो. ट्रस्ट मी, ऐसा करने से आपकी मसल बिल्ड नहीं होगी. Yes, protein is important for recovery and muscle building, but the important factor is your daily protein intake. आप पूरे दिन में कितना प्रोटीन ले रहे हो through other food sources. The recommended daily protein intake for a non-athlete adult is around 0.8 to 1 gram per kg body weight. If you are an athlete, then आपका dosage ज़्यादा होगा depending upon your frequency and intensity of training. For example, if you are an athlete weighing 80 kgs, then your daily protein requirement is around 100 to 120 grams per kg body weight and not just a 30-gram protein scoop. By doing so, you are going to gain all essential amino acids जो responsible हैं actual muscle protein synthesis के लिए. Now, another important factor is protein important है, but इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि more protein is better. आपकी बॉडी एक गिवन टाइम ड्यूरेशन में एक लिमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ मसल मास या लीन टिश्यू सिंथेसाइज करती है एट एनी गिवन डे. सो देर इज नो पॉइंट लोडिंग योर सेल्फ विद स्कूप्स एंड स्कूप्स ऑफ प्रोटीन. इंस्टेड यू मस्ट फोकस ऑन योर डेज डेली प्रोटीन रिक्वायरमेंट. सो व्हाट्स द टेक अवे? नंबर 1, protein powder is not the only source that will help you build muscle. However, it is probably one of the most convenient source. As an athlete, you must consider taking it. Number 2, taking a scoop or 2 of protein powder post-workout is not going to make a difference. आपको अपने पूरे दिन का प्रोटीन इंटेक सही रखना होगा. And lastly, number 3, प्रोटीन important है, but इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि ज़्यादा प्रोटीन is better. You must distribute your daily requirements during the day. So this was all for today. I hope this was helpful. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Instagram for more such valuable content. Thank you.